Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken and salad. We'll cover the essential steps to create a truly satisfying and healthy meal. This method ensures your chicken is always juicy and your salad is crisp and full of flavor. Get ready to elevate your home cooking with this straightforward and delicious recipe. It's perfect for a quick weeknight dinner or a light lunch. For the chicken, start with about 1.5 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breast. Season it generously with salt, black pepper, and your favorite herbs like dried oregano or thyme. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a skillet over medium-high heat. Cook the chicken for 6 to 8 minutes per side until it's golden brown and cooked through. Let it rest for 5 minutes before slicing into 1/2-inch strips. Now, let's build our refreshing salad. In a large bowl, combine 6 cups of your favorite mixed greens with 1 cup of halved cherry tomatoes. Add about 1/2 cup of thinly sliced cucumber and 1/4 cup of finely diced red onion for a bit of crunch and zest. For the dressing, a simple lemon vinaigrette works wonderfully. Toss the salad gently with the dressing right before you're ready to serve to keep everything crisp. To serve, artfully arrange your perfectly cooked chicken slices over the fresh, dressed salad. You can add a sprinkle of crumbled feta cheese or some toasted slivered almonds for extra texture and flavor. This meal is not only incredibly tasty, but also packed with nutrients, making it a fantastic choice for any day. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to a great book about money and other helpful deals. Enjoy your delicious and healthy chicken and salad.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.